Fermat was really quick with answer and with a smart solution.
Very open in communication, we got our answers very smoothly, very rapidly.
Fermat has the same idea about the business. Impossible thing not exist.
We were able to approach them very easily and they were very responsive.
It is a strong machine, it's really precise, really quick, and there is no vibration on the machine.
The precision of machining is very good.
The reliability is, of course, quality as well of the final product is very important for us and for our customers.
Better production, reducing the cost, is what the clients want.
The price, time of delivery and quality of these machines was absolutely unbelievable.
And on any of the final installation details, we were able to openly discuss and they always come up with a solution.
Nobody had the similar offer in the world.
This is a type of company we want to work with.
We'll definitely be looking to increase our CNC machining capacity, and we'll be definitely looking to work with Fermat again.